Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Realme 12. First of all, open Play Store on both and get the app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then to use it, click on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm. Continue. And allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then click on Close in white pop-up at the top. Now you need to select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Realme. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, pick one of them, and then select all of your files that you wish to send. When you're ready, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and hit Receive. If you want to scan this QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close an ad. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, just wait. As you can see, after that all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!